a different direction today. We're gonna head towards the beach from the condo. Here we go. Bars over here, massage, Indian food, a little bit of everything. We're in motorbikes, taxi service. And of course, hotels. Of course, 7-Eleven, like everywhere. Everywhere you want to be, 7-Eleven. Take a little shortcut here. Abbey Avenue. Now these shops and stores are closed now. They're generally only open during the day till about 9 or 10 o'clock. It's still after 10 right now, so good time to walk, nice and cool, especially this time of year. And off to the right, they'll be closed now, but the end there's Villa Market, the place to get a lot of foreigner food you can't find at some of the other places. There's a lot of little shops here, but they're generally only open until, like I said, between 8 to 10 o'clock. Little tavern up there, Robin Hood. Of course, you got your Starbucks, your McDonald's, everywhere. Cool looking tree, huh? Nice. High Weed Society. For your ganja, marijuana. We'll be crossing the street, heading towards the beach area. A lot of little shops up here for food, some snacks for dinner. Whatever suits your fancy. Get some meat sticks, some fresh juice. Little juice bar. Smoothies. Tops Wine Cellar. Alright, we'll cross here. Not get run over. Also on Thailand, even though it's a one-way road, you still check the other direction for traffic. There's motorbikes. They don't care if it's a one-way or not. music everywhere. Little tattoo place here. Watch out for the motorbikes. No shortage of massage places, that's for sure. Massages and bars everywhere. Drunken monkey. Lethal ink tattoo. Trying to grab him. She's trying to grab you. Check. No shortage of places to go. I don't know how all these massage places stay in business. There's so many. But they do. A lot of Indian restaurants too here in Thailand, especially bigger cities like Pattaya. A lot of Indian food, Chinese food, heck, Russian, German food. There's a lot of stuff here from everywhere. And the beach is just right there across the street. This side or beach side? We'll go beach for now. Come back the other way. We'll walk the beach side on the way down, then come back on the other side. Beach looks nice now. Oh, there's boats. There's a lot of boats just docking out, hanging out. There's so many boats. See? Boats. Coming. Boats. In the water. Yeah, as I say, you see so many, yeah. Yeah, look. Look, everywhere. So many. I never see so many. I've never seen so many boats parked out there before. How do you sign off in the distance over there? Just hang out at the beach. Hang out, bring some food, dinner, have some drink, listen to some music.
Let's rattle them. Let's rattle them.
Pretty calm night tonight. There's not much of a breeze. Not much wind. Yeah, during the day they have all these chairs and tables and stuff set out on the beach. You can rent them. It's like a set price for like the whole day. You stay there as long as you want. And when you leave, they just sell them to somebody else. Come earlier next time. All of them. Oh, maybe so. Trust me, I know. What? They not see camera? You walk alone? They sit around waiting. They did. Look at some of the shoes too. Just like here, look at the shoes. What's going on, buddy? Come on, man. So chances run into you on the beach, huh? Good to see you, man.
Spot.
Yeah. Let's go for a little walk, shoot a little video.
Yeah, a little YouTube shit.
Yeah.
It's a GoPro 10 or?
No, it's actually one of the Insta360s. Yes, Cam. That's a pretty good artist.
Yeah. Sits there, knocks out 500 baht, fucking drawings. Right there on YouTube.
Yeah, Thailand hack.
That's a Thailand hack. That's what you need to fucking post more of. I would have never known that.
Oh yeah. Find one of these taxi guys, these motorbike taxi guys.
On this shit?
Huh?
The speaker on this shit?
Yeah.
Well, because if you haven't been to Thailand, I've been out here jet lagged as fuck, up at fucking 3 o'clock in the morning and everything's shut down. And I'm like, fuck, I can't go to sleep, I need some liquor or something. Now I fucking find out you can have a Thailand hack and have a fucking...
Oh yeah, just find one of these motorbike taxi guys. Or if you're over by Rockman.
got caught on my motorbike right in front of the fucking center mall.
Oh, the cops?
And I told myself, I was like, don't do it, don't go, they're probably fucking there. Like, they're going crazy this time. Like, this,
Well, the big police station's right there.
Yeah, but
they just stand in the road.
I've never seen them go, like, usually you can ride by it and they won't chase you. Dude cut me off and like grabbed my bike.
Yeah, I almost hit one day.
Yeah,
I literally almost ran him over.
I was
He
like,
jumped right in front of me.
Charged me 1,000 baht for not having a license.
And a helmet.
No helmet.
Oh,
he
just a
charged me
license?
with helmet.
Oh, just got the license.
Funny.
That's usually the easy one they'll get you for.
And yeah, and I'm like, I can't pay. I don't have money. I'm just a Muay Thai fighter. Because I paid 500 baht. So I was like,
Oh, Jeff.
so whatever. I went and I fought it as much as I could. I paid it. But then today, I'm over that walking street right where you go towards Jantien.
Yeah.
I'm going, I got my helmet on, and I'm like, I know there's some there. And he tried to get me, and I just fucking ran home.
He said, I'm out here.
It's like, no fucking way.
Yeah, they're not gonna get on a bike and chase you. They're not gonna get in a car and chase you.
Mask, and I was like, all right, he's coming.
He's coming after me.
Yeah, I was like, fuck that. I just, fuck it.
Yeah, I did that the other day. I was at a intersection and it just turned to go straight, but I wanted to turn, but the turn light hadn't kicked on yet, and I was about to go, and this cop started kind of walking down the intersection, so I just ended up going straight and got the hell out of there. But yeah, it is a lot of...
They'll find something. If it's not the helmet, it's not the license, it's not like the bike's fucking insured. I don't know. They'll find something.
Yeah, see, my bike's all legit. My bike's insured, all that shit. I got my license, all that, but I don't wear a helmet like this. It's fucking hot here.
That dreads, bro.
I know.
My head's on fire.
It is hot here during the day, so yeah, I don't wear a helmet a lot. A lot of times, man, you're not gonna be doing 30, 40 miles an hour most of the damn time anyway.
Yeah.
You can't go that damn fast on these roads. If you do go that fast,
I don't want to.
No, yeah, I say if you do, you're gonna get hurt.
This fucking pavement, like I'm taking a fall right here.
Yeah.
You know, a pretty bad one. So I'm like, I'm doing 40 most. Even on the way to Jantien, I'm like, I'm cruising, and go around me.
If you go back on my YouTube channel, probably about, I don't know, 6-8 months ago, I got in a motorbike wreck on my motorcycle. I was at about 50 or 60.
I had a Honda fucking Grunt. I didn't have a scooter last time. I got into a wreck on a Honda Grunt.
Yeah. Yeah, I got a big bike. I got a 650. And yeah, this motorbike came across the street, shot in front of me. I just T-boned him.
Yeah. The fucking bus fucked me up. They stopped right
Oh,
in front of
damn.
me. I was going to Taco Bell drunk. Fucking perfect timing. My hat flew off at the same time the bus went in front of me.
So you slowed down anyway?
No, I didn't have the clutch.
Oh, shit.
Yeah, I tried to downshift. I didn't have clutch.
Yeah.
And I was grabbing my hat. I didn't have clutch. And I just fucking, I cobraed. Like locked my fucking leg and I fucking flipped over the bars.
Oh.
Busted my face.
Oh.
Lost my tattoo.
Oh, damn. Oh, yeah. Oh.
Bad.
Yeah. Yeah, plus here, man, there was people walking between cars. Bikes will come from in between cars. It's not safe to go too fast on these roads. It's definitely not.
They don't follow rules here.
There are no rules, really. And they'll fine you $500 for just about anything, but that's really about it. You pay your fine. There's no permanent record for your driving or anything like that. You just pay your fine and go on.
Sometimes you just gotta take it and be like, you know, you got away with it long enough.
Oh yeah, I mean, in the States, if I didn't have a license, they'd tow my car. They do all kinds of shit. I have to go to court, pay big fines. Here,
Points on your license.
Here, they know you don't have a license. You give them $500. They say, all right, see you later. Let you get back on your bike and ride it home. Knowing you don't have a license.
Yell the key queen.
Yeah, knowing you don't have a license. Exactly. All right, bro, take it easy, man. I'm gonna go for a little
All right, bro,
walk a
I'll
little
see
bit
you
more.
later, right? I'll be back. I'm back over. I'll be here for a bit.
Yeah, right on. Take care, man. I told him about you the other night when I was at Rock Factory. That's the guy I sat with, remember? He went up to dance, had his son on the stage. That was the guy I hung out with all night. First time he been to Rock Factory, he loved it. No, I'm not. Oh, no. This side, babe. There's lots of them here. Lots. They're sitting around just looking. That's why. I shall hide from the camera. They see camera, they'll turn around and try to hide. See? They'll turn around when they see camera. So yeah, if they see the camera, the lady sells, she'll turn around and try to hide from camera. Then talking to my camera. I just saw you look. You have to you look and see, yes? You see now? Yeah, you pay attention, yes. So Pattaya sign. It's really good now. You see when they see camera, they turn around. You still want to get $1,000 is what you want. Pretty water out there.
Jamie come Thailand, Jamie no on.
Oh, yes, I've been there a long time, I know.
You not buy, you not know.
Not buy. No, I not need. Never buy, not need. I just know how things work. So if you alone, you talk. Are you alone? You walk down there, they'll say, $500, $1,000 baht. They tell you what to do. They whisper to you. Yeah, they tell you. 500 bucks, up to 1,000, depends what you want. Yes? Those little side streets have a lot of bars, massage places. People singing on the sidewalks here. Start hiding from the camera again. Hold on. Don't worry about what they say. Don't listen to them. What you say? She mad because you're recording? Well, I'll go back to record again. She's not happy. I'm not care. It's a public. What'd she say? What'd she say?
She said, not make video for people and then not, you know, in Thailand.
This is public. You can do video everywhere. Yeah, ladies still not like when you take video. They try to hide. You see a lot of them turn around and try to hide their faces, which is fine, but they're out on the public streets just like me. I can record video if I want. Yeah, don't engage with them. They can say what they want. Don't worry. They'll stand out. They'll stand out here. They'll stand. Yeah. No, they'll stand out here and they'll grab it. They'll stand out here and grab you in the crotch, and that's okay. That's okay for them to just grab you when you walk by, but not record video. Yeah, it's always the lady cells that get mad about you doing video on the beach. You know what? I didn't tell them to work on the beach. They do that themselves. I'm not going to send her family. What's she worried about? Watch the ping pong show. That's funny, when you have a camera, a lot of people don't show you stuff. They'll try to sell you stuff. And when you don't have the camera, it's a whole different experience. So many people. It smells so good. Woo.
Dei, ci sono stati 2 degli.